Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Painterly Pears Designer Series paper as well as the Perfectly Pears bundle. So we're starting off with 11 by 4 1/4 piece of card. We're going to cut off 2 3/4 and we're scoring it at 4 1/4. So it's kind of like a fun fold, but not really. I just scored the edge, and now I'm going to put that beautiful moody Painterly Pears Designer Series paper or pattern paper. We're going to put 5 1/4 by 4 inside the card. So I'm starting with width first, sorry guys, and height second. So here's a piece of white that is 4 1/8 wide and 2 5/8 tall. I'm going to close the card, and then we're going to put pattern paper 2 5/8 by 4 1/8 on my little flappy flap there. And then I'm going to put adhesive on the left hand side just a little bit, and then I'm going to put that Night of Navy card that we cut off. I'm going to stick it on the front and cover that front panel. All right, so then we're going in with a piece of Darling Duckling that is 4 1/8 by 2 5/8. And I'm adhering that right to the Night of Navy. Night of Navy is not named in this pattern paper, FYI. It's just something that I chose. That old olive color there is 4 by 2 1/2. And I'm just layering it up so it has a bit of weight to it. And then I'm going to cover that with a 3 7/8 by 2 3/8 piece of basic white. I'm stamping with Night of Navy ink, sorry. And then I'm adhering that down. So the sentiment says, a good friend is a gift. Then I have die cut the pears out of the pattern paper, and I'm putting one pear on. And then there is this Mossy Meadow and Gold 1/4 inch ribbon. I tied a bow off screen, and I'm using my glue dot to adhere the bow. And now I have, these are called low profile sparkle dots, and they go with this pattern paper, the whole suite actually. So it's quite lovely. Hopefully I don't have a PDF for this, so you guys are just going to have to write stuff down. It's pretty easy though. And like I said, I'm using pretty much Night of Navy for the base and for the ink. And there's not a lot of stamping, so I would consider this a simple build. So card number 2 has us with the Designer Series paper at 5 1/2 long and 2 1/8 wide. I'm adhering that to a piece of old olive, which is 5 1/2 wide by 2 1/4 tall. I'm matting it, and then I will put just dry adhesive on the back side and adhere that on my Night of Navy card. About a 1/2 inch, or yeah, maybe a 1/2 inch up from the bottom. So we're going to embellish this again with that, with those pears. But first, I have some tear tape, and I've adhered it to the Mossy Meadow and Old Olive ribbon. Mossy Meadow and Gold, that's what it is, ribbon. Goes with, I really like it, and surprisingly, because Mossy Meadow is not necessarily my favorite, but because there's so much gold and sparkle in this ribbon, I gotta love it. So I made it essentially a sticker. So now I'm just trimming off the ends. You can turn them inside and flip them over, however you do that. You do you, I do me. So this is a piece of basic white that goes in the center of or in the middle of the card so that you can write a message. Unless you have white gel pen, you're never going to be able to write a message on that Night of Navy. It is so dark. So I used the Night of Navy ink for the thank you, and now I am just using a little bit of a glue dot to take that stem and attach it to the pear. There's dimensionals going on there as well. And I trimmed that thank you down. I'm going to keep it the same level or just above the ribbon and just off to the side. So that really pretty moody paper, which is called Painterly Pears. It has a couple of moody papers in it, but some of them are very light and bright too. And I will give you guys a little bit of inside information. I saw some online exclusives recently that's coming out for September. And there is some Christmas or holiday paper coming out that is kind of moody like this too, which I love because I'm really digging the moody kind of darker pattern. All right, so here is my final card today. We have a regular card base, Knight of Navy. I added my old olive piece, which is 4 by 5 1/4. And then I am putting that the little extra piece of mossy meadow there. I'm going to take that about, I think I went about 1.5 inches up. Just adhered it to the card and trimmed off the edges again. And then my next layering piece is Darling Duckling. And I sized that 3 inches wide, 4 1/4 inches tall. And my designer series paper on top of that is 2 7/8 by 4 1/8. So I don't mess around when it comes to thin borders. I like thin borders. I also like the stability of having the cardstock underneath. So, and the pears, if you're wondering, come from the pattern paper. However, you can do whatever you like to do. If you like stamping, there's the actual pear with a stamp. So, you guys, you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the Video See More section on YouTube or in the supplies section of my blog post, and those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store where I would love to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for spending time with me today, for all the comments you leave, for all the thumbs up and all the YouTube-y things. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it, as it really helps my small channel grow, and I am trying to grow it. So thanks again for watching, and I'm going to leave you with the rest of the embellishments of the cards.